This is the most expensive day on the Camino de Santiago. And it's not about the accommodation and it's not about the food. It's because we just lost the drone. There's been something sinister in the air since this morning. The third morning of the Camino Primitivo, immersed in a dense cloud of fog where everything seemed to shine in a different, almost otherworldly way.
So apparently today it's an easy and short day. We are here, Salas, and we have to get to Tineo. We are gonna get to Tineo today because otherwise the next stage is 12 kilometers more. No. So 19 kilometers, 0.8. We have a gradual uphill from 200 meters high to 500 meters high, so only 300 meters until Porciles. And in Porciles and in Bodenaya there are really good donation bases, albergues. And here we are looking forward to the waterfall. We wanted to get yesterday there, but it was already late for us. So the first coffee for Ricky will be, second coffee will be La Espina. Let's see if Ricky can climb these 300 meters without his second coffee.
I don't know, I'm already shaking.
Let's go to the waterfall. Let's go to the waterfall.
The old truth of the Camino is that detours aren't for everyone. Just like in life, people often pass by treasures without even realizing their true worth. And our treasures that morning was meeting Anastasia. Moment of serendipity that felt like it was meant to happen.
So I'm Anna, or Anastasia, and I'm from Poland.
Where did you start your Camino?
Irun, kind of like between France and Spain. I walked on kind of day zero to my hostel, and then started like from Irun to begin with.
So how many days have you been walking?
That's day 21.
21. How many kilometers?
I think it's about 500 something, 600 maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Superb, eh?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic. Just a few aches here and there, but other than that, like the Camino's been amazing.
How are you finding the Camino Primitivo compared to the Camino del Norte?
So it feels a little bit like being back in the Basque Country, and the Basque Country and the Del Norte part in the Basque Country was amazing. So it's amazing to be back in nature, much less road walking, a lot of trails, a lot of hills, which is amazing. So it's good to be back in nature.
What is Camino for you?
I'm finding myself. I think I'm just kind of trying to like discover how I operate, how I interact with people, with nature, with my surroundings, how I problem solve. So it's kind of been a bit of a learning curve about myself.
Thank you.
Buen camino!
Buen camino.
Well, buen camino to you too.
We could do the waterfall meditation there. Maybe too cold.
Too cold.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go. We just
I don't know how you
crashed the drone.
I don't know how you can laugh about that.
How can I laugh about it? I have no idea. We crashed the drone on the other side of the river, somewhere in the mountains.
Okay, I show where we are. The river is there.
Yeah.
You cannot see, right? We neither. That's why. What shall we do?
I don't know how.
I'm not leaving you on your own in case you fall. No, 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 no. I'm coming with you. No, amo. Attach it here, amore. If something happens, you need to be too close to the whistle.
Okay, I'm close to the.
I call the police if you do this.
Okay.
I call 112.
1-1. No, don't call too early, yeah? Please don't come too early. Okay.
Amo,
No worries. I'm not gonna risk my life, baby. I'm just going to see if it's the way. Come on. Leave it here, okay? I will be back. I promise I will.
okay, we are going down. No, I cannot record. Go. Don't worry. We are going down this path to see if we can cross on the other side. That was the safest bet we have. Mamma mia, I'm sorry.
Planning to walk Camino Primitivo? Check out the 10 highlights of that Camino in the description below. Click the link and get it delivered straight to your inbox.
Lui è grande. 256 kilometers to Santiago. We are almost there. We are done. We are almost there.
Never say never, eh?
Yeah, never say never. As soon as I said, well, maybe let's just keep walking.
Yeah,
Let's just keep walking. La Espina!
Ciao, Mucca. How is the walking so far today?
Apart from the crashing of the drone,
Apart.
I feel that this day has been really productive. because we've been planning the next 2 years ahead. I don't think this is what we were supposed to do, no?
Yeah.
I think we were supposed to be in the present moment, enjoy the views.
What did we plan? Because I don't know if I ever recorded.
So we planned where our next home will be when we go home, for whatever home is. So we just planned where to move, what activities we should do in the evening.
How much we should pay, what clothes we should put on doing
Yeah,
those activities.
What's the weather like during winter? What's the percentage of rain? So I don't, being productive, but I don't think.
I don't really think it's so unusual on the Camino to plan all your life. Eh?
No.
Yeah, look at the way it's
It's like we saw like
Oh gee, no.
Oh, you guys gonna go around? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, well, you can try to walk that way, but
yeah, we decided to fence hop.
It's not too long, no? What do you want to do?
Yeah, I've just
yeah, cool.
let's see what others
I
do.
can tell you if that's
Oh yeah.
pretty bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just skedaddle.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Careful. It's up, it's up, it's up, it's up. Stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low. Beautiful. Ah, this long
I
legs.
always love these kind of games. Dai, now it's your turn.
My turn. We've had enough adventures for one day. Somehow, we managed to reach Tineo without any further mishaps. Perhaps this was exactly what we needed to experience. A reminder that the journey isn't just about reaching the destination, but about embracing the unexpected along the way.
So we arrived at this point where many pilgrims have a dilemma. Which dilemma? Should I go through Hospitales or should I go through La Pola? Here Camino Portuguese splits. I mean, it has two detours. You can choose either one or the other.
You say Camino Portuguese.
Mamma mia.
Is it Camino Portuguese or Primitivo?
Primitivo.
Okay, so
I always say Portuguese.
no problem, baby. We understand you.
Sorry. So, you can either go through one or the other. If you go through Hospitales, there's no food, no water, no albergues, no bars, no supermarket, nothing for 24 kilometers. If you go through La Pola, plenty of facilities. Where's the dilemma?
Thank you for subscribing.